Before working with Natalie, I was severely struggling with some gut health issues, severe bloating. Every single time I ate, my stomach hurt. I got to the point where I had cut out so many foods from my diet that I was down to this very, very small amount of foods that I could eat that didn't severely hurt my stomach. I had heard about Natalie through an acquaintance, and I spoke with her over the phone, and I was very interested in working with her. But still a bit apprehensive after so many years and years and years of suffering and so many doctors and other practitioners telling me that I was fine or that they couldn't help me. So finally, I think I hit my dead end point where I had seen and done every test known to man and I still was not better. I remembered speaking with Natalie and how hopeful she was, and she said that she could help me. So I just knew in my heart that this was the next step for me. And I was so excited to get started with her. There was just so much hope there and help, someone who actually said that they could help me. I just knew it was the right next step for me. What surprised me the most about working with Natalie was how in depth she went with me and how hard I saw that she would advocate and fight for me too. She has looked into so many things and dug so deep when no one else did that for me. And of course, Natalie herself is such a gem. I just adore her. And that's just honestly the cherry on top of doing this program with Natalie. Ever since working with Natalie and working on my gut health, I have so much relief. I feel so much better every single day. The severe bloating, the constant pain I was in is gone. I have been able to add foods back into my diet, which has been so exciting for me to expand the foods that I can eat. It's just an overall wonderful relief that I'm feeling. I would recommend Natalie because she listens to you. She wants to hear your whole story. She cares. She will continue to dig deeper until we find the answers. She truly, overall, has changed my life in doing this for me. Natalie, thank you so much. I am so thankful that you came into my life. You truly have no idea the impact that you have made, and I am just so incredibly grateful for you. She gave me hope and she helped me, and I'm healing, and that's just life-changing for me. First Shot, Yackle, Washington.